No! Oh no! No, and again, one more time. 14.999. No. Yes! Yes! What's up, everybody? This is the PBCuber. So happy to see you again after this long break. Sorry, I was just quite busy. I'm still quite busy because I just got back to school. But anyway, today I'm exactly 15 years old. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Never mind. Anyway, today I'm exactly 15 years old, and I decided that as the next challenge, at Cubing Challenges number 9, I think. I don't know. I'm gonna solve this Rubik's Cube at exactly 15 seconds. So welcome to the Cubing Challenges series, where I make cool videos about cubing challenges. No, you watch the video, hopefully enjoy, and if so, please like and subscribe. Thank you. So anyway, as I said, today I'm gonna try to solve this Rubik's Cube at exactly 15 seconds. That means 15.000. I guess that will be quite hard, but we're gonna make it. So the time now is 8:17, and I really hope that I will finish with this because I've got a test tomorrow and I need to learn. But yeah, let's do it. First try. If we're making this first try, that will be insane. Let's go. Oh, wow, that was quite close. 14.94. Okay, nice. Next try. No! Dude, I'm so close. No. Oh no! Dude, that was really close. So, 50 solves in about half an hour past, and this is hard. I was really close with this 15.002. And yeah, now I'm listening to music while solving, so maybe it's disturbing me, so I'm gonna try now to do a few solves without hearing music, because maybe you know the beat and the seconds are, it's a bit confusing. So let's see how this goes.
Bruh.
No! No, no! Hey! Dude. Yes! Yes! Man, let's go! Yes! 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 Let's go! Oh man, yes! Look at this. Yeah, 15.000. After 129 solves and more than 1 hour. Oh, I was just sitting and solving. Yes, finally. Dude, literally, yes. Oh, I'm so happy. I have no idea why it took so long. I remember I did this challenge in the past and it didn't take me that long, but let's go. Wow, that's so satisfying just to look at this number, 15.000. Yes. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I did enjoy the last
minute. That was super satisfying. And if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. And if you have ideas for the next gaming challenge video, make sure to leave it down in the comments. Thank you, and I guess I'll see you all at the next video. Bye!